In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create action buttons in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to add some interactive elements to your presentation or simply want to guide your audience smoothly through your slides, this tutorial will walk you through each step to make it easy and effective. First, go ahead and launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Starting with a fresh slate or even an existing presentation gives you a good foundation for building interactive elements. So if you already have a presentation you'd like to enhance with action buttons, feel free to open it up. Otherwise, you can create a new slideshow, adding in any text, images, tables, or other content you might need to support your message or storyline. Once your presentation is open, head over to the top menu and click on the Insert tab that you'll find in the PowerPoint ribbon. This tab is a hub for adding various elements to your slides, so it's a great one to familiarize yourself with for all kinds of PowerPoint customization. Next, locate the Illustrations group within that Insert tab and click on Shapes. A menu will appear showing a wide variety of shape options. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this menu to find the Action Buttons section. These are pre-designed shapes with specific interactive capabilities, tailored for creating engaging, clickable buttons in your presentations. Now select the action button that best suits your needs. Different shapes can visually indicate different actions, so choose one that aligns with what you're aiming to achieve. For example, you might pick an arrow to indicate moving forward through the slides, or a rectangle if it's less about direction and more about interaction. To place the button, you'll want to click and drag your mouse on the slide in the location where you'd like the button to go. This action draws the button onto your slide, and you can adjust the size as you see fit. As soon as you've drawn the button, PowerPoint will automatically open the Action Settings dialog box. This dialog box is where the magic happens. You have options to decide when the action will occur. Click on either the Mouse Click tab or Mouse Over tab, depending on whether you want the action to trigger when the button is clicked or hovered over. In the same dialog box, you'll see an option labeled Hyperlink to. Here, you can choose what happens when the action button is activated. Perhaps it takes you to the next slide, the last slide, another PowerPoint file, or even a URL. Select the option that best fits your presentation flow. For those looking to add an extra bit of flair, consider checking the Play Sound box. This allows you to select a sound to accompany the action triggered by the button, which can reinforce the engagement, or just add a touch of fun. Finally, click OK to lock in your choices. And there you have it. Your new action button is ready to enhance your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, these simple interactive elements can make a big difference in keeping your audience connected and focused on your message.